Prepare only as much garlic as needed, and simply peel it. Pour 2 bottles of 470 milliliters of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 0.2 teaspoons sugar. Just boil this for 5 minutes. You can now put the peeled garlic in the jar. You can now pour the vinegar here. Cover it and ferment for 4 days. After 4 days, it will turn green. It's perfect as a side dish and great for digestion.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!